how to create animation video in mobile. First of all, let's go ahead and open up the Flipaclip application on our mobile device. Then wait for it to load up. And once you're in, you will probably see an ad like this. Just tap the cancel icon on the top left. After that, you will be redirected to another page where you will see something like this for you and other tabs on the top that you can scroll through. So now, if you look on the bottom, you will get to see some options including a plus icon. Tap on it. And once you're in this section, you will see options to name your project, add a background, your canvas size, and FPS. So now, let's go ahead and add a name for our project. For this example, I will go ahead and type in running animation. You can add whatever you want. Then tap on the image option on the background and choose photo library or file according to your preference. Then add a background. Then for the canvas size, you can scroll through the options and select whichever one you want. I will go with YouTube 720p. Then we have FPS. Here, if you tap on it, you can see the FPS in action by scrolling through the options. So, scroll through the options and select your desired FPS. For this example, I will go with 15. Then tap on the back arrow on the top left. After that, tap on Create Project on the bottom. And as you can see, we're here on the canvas. Here, you have all the options that you will need. Now, let's get started with the process. Just swipe across the canvas to start drawing. Now tap on the three dots on the top right corner. After that, you will get to see your project settings right here. Let's tap on Add Image from the options. Then, you might get a pop-up ad. So wait for the ad to finish or tap on it and tap on Done. After that, tap on the cross icon on the top right. Then select Camera or Photo Library or File. I will go with Photo Library. Then, choose an image from your gallery that you want to use. I will go with this one right here. Then Flipaclip might ask for permission to access your photos. You can keep current selection or select more photos. Now, just drag and adjust the position of your character on the canvas. We will place him on the left side to begin. This way, you can put your character anywhere you like. And once done, let's go ahead and tap on the plus icon on the bottom right. This way, a new page will be added to your canvas. Now, tap on the three dots on the top right and select Add Image again. After that, select Photo Library as you did before and select your next animation picture. Now, adjust the character size according to the previous one. Make sure it matches the one before. After that, place it right beside the first one. And once you're done your second character image, let's go ahead and tap on the plus icon again. And as we did before, you will need to tap on the three dots on the top right corner. After that, go to Add Image, Photo Library, and add your next animation image. Same way as you did before, adjust the size of the character to match the ones before it. This way, you will need to add multiple characters in order to make your animation work. So we will go ahead and keep adding a few more. If you don't know already, this is the same concept used in a lot of cartoons. So I'll just go ahead and finish up adding my characters one by one with different movements on each image. Same way, you can add as many images as you want, but for this video, I will add just 5. So I'll just finish up adding my last image and then readjust the size and position it on the far right. So once you're done adding all the images, tap on the play button on the bottom. And as you can see, our animation is now being played out. You can also scroll through the scene to check it out one by one. Now, let's tap on Layers on the bottom right corner. This is where you can tap on the plus icon and add different layers for your characters. Now tap on the audio icon on the bottom left corner. This is the section where you can edit the audio for your animation. And to add, tap on the plus icon on the right. Here, you can choose audio file recorder, sound effects, and voice AI. So let's choose voice AI and type in under what do you want your character to say. So I will type in hello and welcome to my tutorial. Then select your voice character and tap on generate audio. And as you can see, this is a pro feature. So you will need to get a subscription to use this feature. Now let's go back to our animation and tap on the plus icon again. Here, just go through the other options and choose one if you don't want to use the paid version. Now heading back to our main animation page, if you look on the top, you will see an option for text. Tap on it. Then just type in whatever text you want to display. And as you can see, our text has been added right here on the canvas. Just adjust its positioning and sizes. And once you're done, just play your animation to check it out. Now, let's tap on one of the scenes and you will get to see some options right here. Tap on Text Add. Now, let's type in a different text like thank you, then select Insert. Now position your text like you did before. You can also customize the font, color, and size of your text from the right panel that you can see here. So let's select font and go through the options available. From here, choose one that you like. And as you can see, it has been applied to our text on the canvas. So we will adjust this size to make it look better. Now go back to your first scene and select the font option for this one as well. And if you want, you can change the font of this text to match the one that you put on the ending. And it's also okay if you want to use different fonts according to your preference. But for some reason, I'm not being able to choose the font option. So if you want to avoid these issues, just make sure you have the latest version of the app. So let's select the eraser tool on the top and erase the text from here. Then tap on the text option from the top and insert your new text. And as you can see, our font is now different. So align it according to your preference and then give your animation a final check. So let's tap on the play button on the left. And as you can see, our animation is ready. So now just tap on the share icon on the top. And this is where you can customize all the export options. So set them up according to your preference and then tap on the Make Movie button. And after you do that, your newly created animation video will be saved onto your mobile device. So just go to your files and start using your animation. This way, you can make any animation on Flipaclip. And that is exactly how to make animation video in mobile.